Okay, well, I'm just going to take a quick look at the computer ratings for Monday, the 23rd of the 1st, versus what prices are available on Betfair and on sports bet in those races. The first race we're going to look at is Armadale Race 6. It's an 1100 metre race. The top rated runner is the number 5, which is Chicky Chicky Mama. I've actually done a race preview on this race where I've delved into the race in detail. So you've got two different aspects to look at this race from: the computer ratings and also my detailed form preview. Chicky Chicky Mama is the favourite at 2.90. We've got it rated at 3.40 by the computer ratings, slight unders. The second top rated is the 1 Shooting Czar, which is actually a black book runner. And we've got it rated at 4.40, goes around at 4.20. I've actually rated it at 3.30 in my race preview. And the thing you need to understand about the computer ratings versus my detailed ratings once I've done form analysis on a race is that I dive a lot deeper into a race via form analysis to find the little nuances and differences in form perspectives that can come up on a race. So both the slide unders as per the race ratings. The third top rated is the 4 Benetti, which is going to not run in this race. It ran at Grafton in race 6 on Sunday, so I don't expect it to run. I've actually produced 2 rating sheets for it for this race, one with Benetti and one without Benetti, and I'll just take Benetti out of the race quickly and show you the ratings without Benetti. So these are the ratings without Benetti. The 5 stays at 3.40, Chicky Chicky Mama. The 1 stays at 4.40. And the third favourite then becomes a 7 at $6. Rated at 5.40. Benetti comes out of the race at $11. That's a 9% deduction on the market. So this is really a non-betting race from a computer ratings perspective. I'm just going to put Benetti back into the race for the meantime. And now it's back in the race. Now I'm going to go to Armadale Race 7 next. So Armadale Race 6, both the favourite and the second favourite are unders in the market. But if you go and look at my race preview for that race, we've got Shooting Czar as a top-rated 3.20 contender and pretty keen on it, actually, via the race preview, the video preview. The top-rated for race 7 is the number 2, Pyramid of Fire. Goes around unders at 2.20. The second top-rated is the 5. 3 is Pyramid of Fire. It's second on the list. The 1 scratched. Second top rated is the 5 Indian Thunder, rated at 4.80. Goes around at 4.60. Slight unders. The third top rated is the 7 at 5.80. Goes around at 14.0. Now, here's where some value lies in this market. We've got a third top rated at 5.80, and you'll see the top 3 rated at 3.5, 4.8, and 5.8 are well clear of the rest. Next best is 10.1, basically, or nearly double the price of the 7 at 5.80. Double that's 11.6. So at 10.1, the fourth top rated at 10.1 is a fair bit longer than the third top rated. So we're considering these 3 closely rated on top. Third top rated, good chance of running a place. We've got it rated 5.8. It's going to go around at 14.0 and 3.4. So from initial inspection, 7 Blue Sky Moon does represent good value. The place at the 3.40 in a race it's going to pay 3 place dividends, 14.0, 3.4. Probably worth nibbling at on an each way basis, being the third top rated. Only 2.3 below the 3, which is the top rated, from 5.8 into 3.5, 14.0 and 3.4. So I'll probably nibble at that on an each way basis, Blue Sky Moon, as per the computer ratings. The third race that I'm going to look at is Goulburn Race 2, 1,000 metre race. So let me bring up the odds for it. Okay, the top rated contender here, all we've got equal top rated runners in the 2, Luna Rocks, which goes around at 2.80 versus its rated price of $4, and the 7, which goes around at 14.0 and 3.2. So the 7 Sweet Biscuit, equal top rated at 14.0 and 3.2. Great value, good overs. 14.0, 3.2, you can back it each way, and you can back it for the place with a decent degree of confidence. The third top rated Ningaloo Star, the number 8 at $5, goes around at 3.90. So the value in this race is created around the 2, which is equal top rated at $4, being unders at 2.8. 2.8 occupies about 37% of the market. We're saying it's a 25% chance at $4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. And the 8, the third top rated at $5, which we say should occupy 20% of the market, is going around at 3.9, which is about 26% of the market. So that's where the value is created in this race is via the 7, the equal top rated contender, Sweet Biscuit, which is 14.0 and 3.2. You're nearly getting the win rated price about it for the place at 3.2, considering it's rated at 4.0 for the win. So that's a pretty good value angle to be playing in Grafton Race 2. And then we've got Grafton Race 4. Okay, Grafton Race 4, the top rated is the number 3, Iconic Dame, which is going around big unders at the 1.95. 1.95, it occupies about 52% of the market. We're saying it should occupy about 24% of the market at the 4.1. So that's a huge difference. The second top rated is the 1, Dragon's Breath, which goes around 8.0 and 2.2. That's a little bit of a similar example to why on race 1 yesterday, where the second top rated 1 that we had rated around the $4 mark, and it went around about $8 and won accordingly, good overs. So the second top rated, good overs, 4.7 rated, goes around at 8.0, Dragon's Breath. The third top rated is the 5 at 5.1, goes around at 21.0 and 4.0. It's just gone in from 4.2 to 4.0, the place there. So we'd play around the favourite here in this race, which is top rated at 4.1, the 3 Iconic Dame, which is 1.9 and 1.2. But you need to be a little bit careful because it is top rated at 4.1, even though it's unders. You're going to be backing the second top rated at 4.7, which is 8.0 in true odds, Dragon's Breath on Sportsbet, and also the third top rated, which is the 5 time to target at 21.0 and 4.0. So in this race, I'd be saying nibble at the second top rated and the third top rated on an each way basis, which is 1 Dragon's Breath and 5 time to target. Nibble at both of them on an each way basis for a result across the race. So that's just a quick dive into the 4 races that we've covered with computer ratings on Monday the 23rd, giving you a better idea of how to read them and how to bet them from a win and place perspective. Thanks.